It's a private property. I think I will just walk up to here only. I'm now at BTS Asok station. Normally I would travel with the rabbit card. It's a charge card, but because today I'm travel quite a lot of stations, that's why I'm gonna get a one-day pass. I just got my one-day pass, so I'm gonna travel around the BTS stations. Okay, let's go. I'm going to the last stop of this line.
To other passengers in board.
So I'm going from here all the way to here. You know you're here in Thailand if you have to reserve a priority seat for monks. So now I'm in Keha, the last stop of the BTS train. By the look of the map, I think the interesting thing is the canal. The BTS one-day pass is 140 baht. I just tried to see how much is one way from Asok to here. Oh, it's 48. It's quite nice to walk. They are extending more into that side of the BTS station. See, we're now here. I just ordered the noodle with a lot of fish ball and meat on top. So, and then they also give some vegetables, lots of meat, and you see. Now I'm off to the city center now. On every BTS station, they actually have a security to check your bag. I just arrived at Onut station. The reason I come here is because I want to go to Tesco Lotus to grab some of the Thai souvenirs and grocery. It actually opened at 6 o'clock in the morning. So this one is to make into the papaya salad. I'm now here at Tesco Lotus. You see? No people. Good for shopping. I just bought the Korean ramen because it's only 55, and also the salted eggs one. The Thai fruits, they always come with the like chili sauce or some salted. So sometimes it's good to buy some of the things here and bring home. I just finished shopping and now I'm off to the BTS station again. I'm now at Huikwan station. I'm going to Ibis Styles Hotel to visit my friend. Going to the Ibis Styles Hotel.
Okay, cheers.
Okay. So the hotel is not open yet, and now my friend Zack is showing me the rooms, and so they will open on 1st of June. My friend Zack just showed me the hotel. So that's all for now.